Alright, so I'm going to show you in this YouTube video how I made this cute little graphic that you see on the mug here. So first I did save these graphics to a particular file on my desktop so that I can easily grab them and drag and drop them onto the Inkscape program. And as I move these graphics closer to each other, I do hold the shift key. They have this weird thing where they snap to like the grid or something like that. And so when you hold shift, that keeps them from doing that. And you can kind of move them more freely that way. There's probably settings you could change, but I just have been doing this for so long that that's how I do it. And then here I am just typing out the font that I would like to have on my graphic. And I have duplicated the font so that when I type out this next one, I don't have to change the sizing or the font or anything like that. It's going to look the same. And once I get that all typed out, I will select both of the fonts and size them how I would like them, and that way they kind of stay the same look and size and everything, and you don't have to, you know, adjust each one individually. And then once I have played with that enough, I'm going to select the two graphics of the boy and girl, and I'm going to group them so that when I align this, they are being aligned as one solid image. And then when I was making this video, I accidentally started screen recording without the top section, but when I open the alignment tool, I'm actually going to Object and going almost all the way down to the bottom, and it says align and distribute, and that will open the little file section thing on the right hand side, the little toolbox, and then you'll have your alignment settings over there. And then I just use the square creator to make like this bench type thing that they're sitting on, and then size it so that it looks, you know, like they're sitting on it. And then once you have all that figured out, you're going to go up to File and Export PNG. Actually, okay, so sorry. First I selected them all and locked it, and I always size my files to 3.5 inches. That is just one of the standard sizes that I print for my business. So first, I always save the file as an SVG, so if I want to, I can come back, ungroup the image, and change things like the font color or anything like that. And so I just fast forward through that real quick. And then I'm going to go to File and Export PNG, and that pulls up the PNG saving toolbox on the right hand side. You're going to select Page, Save, or Export As, and then save it, and I save it with the same file as the SVG. And then you're going to hit export. Now you have to export this. I export as a 600 DPI because that's what I was told to do a long time ago, and I don't tend to change what I do very often. If it works, it works. And now you can upload it onto a fancy coffee mug. Thanks guys! Go ahead and subscribe if you like this video and give it a thumbs up.